Except Fetch, it's a boy Shaba, my 2K cousin got Beyonce, ex Cardi B, and these are my 12 questions with the freshman. Who is Shaba, Ubuyapi, and Utumengani? Okay. Ushaba Kamala Kutumsani, Comfort Ganyauza, Isbongo Maswisele Muvuza Unya, and we are HMBisa Winnie Mandela Zone 4. And yeah, angazi khona ngikumisa ngokutumengani. Ngitumenga my voice note, the content there my voice note, and obviously the live videos that I do on TikTok. Njekuningi mfethu, Trap and Pass. I'm into soccer also. There's a soccer show called Trap and Pass with Usjugu. Yeah. Where did the legend Shaba begin? Was I at Last Clown or at the Family Braai? Ngicale vave ukuhlanya. I think vele since ngazalwa bengihlanya, but cause growing up bengithanda bengidlala ibhola basically. Then igama lika Shaba ngalithola vele from Etiskini, but being a comedian, doing these videos ukuhlanya, I think I started while I was still in high school, cause there was a video. You remember those No Chill in Mzansi pages? Yeah, we once did a video high school and it went viral. Then ngithema ngicedisike like iplan alisekho, then that's how I started ukuthi yazi na into yami vele. Okay, after my matric I was supposed to go in the varsity, but manje ayithi yazi ukuthi mabakutshela lapha eclassini ukuthi hey kumele applyani sithi ayahlanya mem angiyenzi mina lento le ngizobona ngama result kanti mase ngiphatha matric igela sigcwele sifunana nepace at some point ngingana se college mfethu hey lesasigela lesa. So yeah, I dropped out tertiary ngaqala kanjalo because lama video ami mangiloko ngiwayenza before I did the content ama voice note, because abantu bangazi ngicontent ama voice note, but I've been in the creation space, so bengiloko ngishaya ama video abantu bancanya getting gigs, so ngabona lapho ukuthi this is for me. When did I realize that I'm funny, and how did I know that I'm funny? Is it the question, eh? Okay. I angaka realize mina njayam. I angaka realize. I think anything enza ukuthi mhlambe i-content yami ibe top, ne? Because every time when I do these videos, they stress me before I post them. Okay, let's say I do a video, I send a voice note to DJ Maphorisa. Maphorisa, man. You understand? I stress ukuthi kahle le videos ofika la ngifuna khona la, and I will send to my friends before I even post it. Echo, ikran le video le in. Then when my friends approve it, senyalahlela, but I never angaze ngabheka ama video wami and loved. Angaze ngahlekisa ama video wami. It's in me nja, misegazini. Shilo ne Amos lendi segazini. Every time mangenza video kuhlanya, ngizwela umama because nyasho ngithi mara umama makangibheka uthini lo mntwana lo. Mangiphuma ngama fastera kuma live video yazini. What was the craziest video I've ever created umama makhona? Iyo ne? Which one? I think I did anything in the voice note I think to Maphorisa, if I'm not mistaken. Kuna le Agamas Music, something so to, and there's this other one, Yabo Jaivan and about DJ Stoke. So the second one, because usually my sends a video, Banamapoto, athi amapoto wami yabona leyo bengwakhalela ngakhona voice note na yakhala ukuthi amapoto wami afethu. So I think that's the craziest video, and I shout plan nyamaza ngithi mangabe ubona ngathi ngikhuluma kakhulu yes solid lami. So yeah, I think the one with the one I did for something Soweto, and you remember that saga was something Soweto na Maphorisa. Yeah. Right, yeah, pull me vocal. So yeah, who are the people abayenza umsindo kuma background mangenza lama voice note, okay? So ivideo nevideo ngichecka umuntu one vibe on a personality ambisalana na that certain clip. So I have Ubusani, I have Umbali, I have khona intwana yami izithandela ushebe shit but you super shater. And yeah, so usually if you see the lady athetisa mangilo ngithi mama hey umbadi loyo, so it's munye sister ohlala opposite na kwami, so every time I would be like and usasemncane but ungishayela ngale ya voice le yabo o lady vele yabo. Then if idinga amajita ku background, that's when I call abo Busani nabo super shita to come and act. So basically into enzakala da, people will think vele kuyalwiwa kenzakala. So because as he shoot I vele in a form of a video, it's just a voice clip, so I will just tell them ukuthi akiwane move. I tell I know when to drop his value support, then masay vele kuba ngathi phela juice ufunani nosika phela juice. Yeah, do you script the videos or it's just a random thing nje? Okay, so you know kenzakalani nje, because that mina vele sengiyazi ukuthi kumele ngenzeni. But to those engispanisana nabo, as I've said, amagama abo Busani nabantu, so I'll tell them ukuthi okay, na indaba etrendayo, bathi uMaphorisa uRobo something Soweto, what, so you are gonna be something Soweto, you are gonna be Mass Music, you are gonna be X wagu X Repo. Then all I need from you is this, all I need from you is this, all I need from you is this, then we do it. So I don't know if he look at me scripture because mina nislungu. Yeah. What's my favorite part of being a comedian? I think you get to the more you grow Google space content creation, you get to meet the people that you look up to and you learn from them. So I think because even when I look at my content, especially my voice note back in it was 2020, 2021, and mamela manje, it's two different things. It shows with this growth, and within that growth, obviously it's because in meet abanye abantu in the same space as me. I learn, they tell me things to do. Because one thing people don't know, whenever I do a video and leo video le yang chusanyana, I would send it to Robot Boy and ask him with Khotman, what's your thought kule video lele, and he will just tell me ukuthi boy lenti mnandi. So even you remember that video yama go to ama piano, same thing. Before I posted it, I sent it to Robot Boy, and I thought maybe uzobuya kimata manshaba why wenza so. I feel like I approve, and I was like, if Robot approves, then we good. So to the artists that I make jokes of, hit me up, bakwatile, or they are just cool with it. So bonke bakrend, I think that's the reason why even DJ Maphorisa sikhuluma mina naye, because they do understand which this is content. All of them, besides Uncle Waffles. People don't know that Uncle Waffles blocked me on IG. So you know what happened, eh?
Why do you think?
You remember when she was trending ngalenda ukuthi she's transgender or what, you remember, eh? I hope ngisebenzisa amagama amahle because hey ku Twitter bazongigwenya. So then I did a voice note to Home Affairs. I was like, Home Affairs, ngicela ungicheckele usimangaliso sibani ukuthi uyintombazana rumfana blah 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 blah. Then I posted it. So and mind you, what I'm posting or what I'm saying, it's what I see from people on Twitter. It's trending actually. There's nothing or the inside information. You understand? So I'm doing a voice note based on what's trending. Then her team, it's me again. They DM'd me, threatening me, telling me, hey, we know where you're from. This is the end of the road for you. Delete what you've posted. she even DM'd me also telling me ukuthi yini lento engiyenzayo, why am I bashing other women, but I had to apologize because as much as we in this creative space, we have to kumele sibacabangele abanye abantu. If she doesn't like it and akathandi the way izinto ngizenze ngakhona, I have to apologize, and I apologize. I say, hey, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, and I'm not saying uyichero or umchita. Yeah, I'm just making a joke, a joke based on what I see on Twitter. It's trending. Abanye bathu ya this, abanye bathu ya this. So they kept on threatening me. Then I even called DJ Sean 101 and say, Sean, bafuna ukungishaya abantu baka Uncle Wafuls, bathi mina ngijukuwa fools ngenzeni, and Sean, I think he just spoke with them, and they told me to release a statement and post on IG. Yeah, post on IG, release a statement and apologize. Release a statement, bangitshela but you must even state that Uncle Waffles uyintombazane akusumfana. Ngithi kanjani manje, but ngobe nami ngijukile kumele manje ngipost ngithi hey, Uncle Waffles he's a woman. Uyathola man, she's a woman. Man, waningihleka kuba yabo. So I had to apologize on that, but yeah, is it something that ngiyazisola ukuyenza? No. When I say no, I'm saying angizisola uku-apologize to her because I had to understand ukuthi na umuntu unama feelings, and if something ayimphathi kahle kumele vele akhulume. There's this way saying in English bathi ngeke uphikisane nomuntu based mabakutshela how they feel. You understand? If I tell you how I feel about you, you cannot disagree with me on that. You understand? So if she felt that way, I had to apologize, and ngapologizile yaba into edlulayo, angiblock. Cool, we move. Yeah, she blocked me, but I understand mfethu game yazi. And especially Joe, yabona, when it comes to abantu abamantombazane, you have to be careful in those shows because ungakhawatheka fast Joe, ungakhawatheka fast. So I had to respect that, and ngingazenza ukhanda shisa ngithi hey mina I know hey what angazohlanya. I had to apologize and we move mfethu. DJ Maphorisa, yeah, uyu umuntu ukuthi even Chico sent me a voice note, and he was like, "Mfethu, voice note yaka itlanenge Joe." But with DJ Maphorisa, yeah, uyongenza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi now ngiyayenza, because even something so enhleke nje amonke lama voice note mangiwayenza, ama-artists they do respond. Some they respond kuma DM, some they will just comment. But uPhori, I remember I met DJ Maphorisa kuleya, was it one man show yaka Youngstana? Ngikolele nje ngine 8 bekune, yeah, I think it was one man show yaka Youngstana. So Phori came with Kabza. So Kabza makafika, because Kabza knows me, besiloko sikhuluma kuma WhatsApp. So nyamkhunta papda uthi sho uthi hey ubiza uPhori, hey ki umfana wePhori azwakala mfethu maninhlwele mfethu wena ungudlu wena anhlwele mfethu. So then he told me ukuthi mfana, what you doing is dope, keep on doing it. Siyayincanywa thina lento yenzayo, ungastophi, ungafeel ngathi manje you are offending anyone, because I think enye into engenza ukuthi vele lama voice note abe interesting, akunaphoko mina engilikhiphayo, ngenza into the way trend ngakhona. Yeah, if uPhori is trending ukuthi DJ Maphorisa is busy with this person and this is what's happening, I take that information, do a voice note, then say actor ke manje thina. Yeah. What's something people always misunderstand about me? I think it's my character. You need to know me personally for you not to take me personal. Okay, ithi ngiphinde yazi mhlambe nesilungu yisesibhedayo. So kumele ungazi personally ukuthi ama jokes wami unganye kwacove personal. You understand? So sometimes I would do a crazy video, or maybe on these TikTok lives, because some people they do get in these TikTok lives, and when they start venting, and I'll be like, hey, see, skolo, and ngicina ngibatshela amazi abuhlungu, but some they get offended with you mangena kule ama live video waboshaba they will bash you, tell you this and that, but mangache mameli very says go ahead field o ile badiwa taba tsa o busy kwa go di Zanzu le go di barcode kwa le tlonyobiwa ke di DJ a di bereke ya Pitori o ile kena sekolo ko UP or ko TUT or whatsoever le ya se Headfield so masibachela lezo zinto bayakwata. What's the hardest part of being a content creator in South Africa? Ma challenges prime ngine inform amazitsing lombhede ngine lona mfethu ngine ring light ikuphi challenge lapho anginama challenge mina ama challenges he hey angaze ngaface ama challenge mina of being a creator mfethu but Facebook does pay us. TikTok, when you do live videos, it pays you. So in the US, they do that. Then that's the challenge. He challenge yona le. Ukuthi abasipatali bapatala bo Chris Brown kuphela. He challenge ke. Ngabe ngazi. Yeah, senyacava yeah. So the challenge we face as creators ni patala abantu ba overseas thina nisipatali. That's the challenge. Kunama top student eclassini ngeyithi class lonke lithwele 5 out of 50 12 out of 50 3 out of 50 maqeda mina shaba ngizothola 49 nyahlanya ngamele ngithole 5 so bengilo muntu ngihamselana neclass yabo so bengifail amakudingeka bengiphasa amakudingeka but basically you can say I was an average student yeah because out of 100 bengiphuma nabo 52 60 out of 50 bengiphuma nayo leyo 50% obviously 50% 50 marks iyo 3 4 out of 50 sure sure top 3 female vocalists amapiano obviously choose nayazi then I will add uNkosazana Daughter Tracy Chato Hearts and Nkosazana Daughter. For me personally. Yeah, mina. And of course, my father, Scotsman attitude. Ngithanda Scotsman attitude. Phela redeng bafethu. Kumele understand ne. For me. Emfethu ngine passport ngenxa ka Scotsman phuma niyazi mara. Yes. Ngamtshela we went live and it was December I remember and he asked bo nyambuza uthi eScott ukuphi athi hayi ngisemagigini or kanti uyazi ngibhizi ngathi mfana ngimele ungithathe athi una passport ngathi manje same time clip Capitec ibhalile reference ma attitude ngathi good shot ngayenza with passport angitshela athi hambo yenza passport and it even did ama follow up to check ukuthi vele ngiyenzile ngayenza passport then abantu asibatholi ngendlela efanayo yabo. The way people see Scott's my attitude is not the way I see him. Because he has done so much for me and whenever ngikhuluma naye akangai that energy, you know, so that's why I don't want to disagree with people ukuthi hey akana attitude or unayo but abantu sibathola ngendlela different. Mina Scott's towards mina uright usharp ungenzele ne passport uyangithengela nokudla nje attitude nayo nje ukuthini vela akana attitude man yeah so akana attitude towards me. What happened between you and CK? Nje beku-accuse yami sasakhula man nomunye azibhekela indlela yakhe but we used to be best friends and yeah that's what happened. Yeah, there's no tea. Me and CK, we used to be best friends. I agree with that. Yes, it's true. Ivar. But this tema scala vele church indlela zethu omunye ayozictela. We used to be best friends, Joe. Best friends. From grade 4 ngimenze ngina 9. Kaslami. I'm from zone 4, he's from zone 2. So from grade 4 when he got to our primary school until okay, from 2009 until Gomorrah, let's just say it.
What's the nicest thing CK has ever done?
The nicest thing, he taught me acting. The character that I have, if you check i-character yakhe kuGomora and check me, you'll see ukuthi somewhere kunokuhambelana. So that's one thing I love about him. And I think, man, me being this creative and ngikwazi ukuba mnandi kanje ngale content, it's me learning from him, because we used to do things together, everything. So I know his character, I know his personality, I know what will make him laugh. Yini into angayithanda nokuyithanda futhi. This video, if CK was here, he was gonna love it, and I know if he was gonna approve it, then good. That's why when he got to Gomora, he shook the country, because no one expected that. Veju, that's the talent he has and the uniqueness anako. Yeah, it's all. So yeah, and the other nice thing, inkinga nginyobanga nguSikhende, bengifuna ukunyoba mangena Gomora. Sirazi azijobe ngifuna ukunyoba nguSikhe. Munye nomunye ale, umunye azithathela indlela zakhe nami ngazithathela indlela yami. Yo mfana yo kube ngwadlila amabhedi ngale out le. Mara hayi. I think maybe probably that's one of the mina njama ngiphayisikele jam. Ya ngibonile ukuthi le ngathi ayisangisebenzele manje yazini omunye nomunye makayenza kwakhe ngazihluphekela, and here I am today. I'm not trying to say yeah yini angibona sengikuphi, no, but I think him being too distant from me for his catches fire kungiteache a lot, and I'm where I am today because of such things, you know. Ukuthi you can't expect even your closest friend, even your mom, your dad, you can't expect them to do everything for you. If your friend can't do that, he can't. You need to accept and move on. So I accepted and I moved on, because it was a thing of, you know, when he got there on screen and I felt like, yo, mfana, you know that thing. Yeah, but now the changes, the energy, yeah, about CK attitude, and I was like, hey, I wanna get manje. Yeah. But it's not CK attitude, intone sharp player, man. The thing is, mina with me, mangiloko ngikhula and my circle, I make sure every now and then ngiyabuza machita ntwana ukhala ngani. There are a lot of things that I've done for his cheetah Sam. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna be at the top. I haven't gotten things that I've wanted, but at least this I would say. But with my circle, I'm a cheetah pillar now. I make sure uchi ngiba umnyango to what they want, because I'm in the content creation space, but I get to meet these artists about I'm a musician and all that, and I'll connect you if possible. I'll talk to you, because there is a friend of mine called Lil T, and I even spoke to MT about him, and MT listened to his music. I understand. I was like, sound yako smooth. So I'm that person, and I even call every now and then. Ukuthi ntwana ukrende. Utingani mfana? Ringa nami. Udinga ini? Mina nginamali ne, but mfana manje isikhathi mfethu. Isikhathi sesifikile, ufunani? Then angitshela mfana mina ngikhala ngokuthi squads ayenze feature nami. Is it the right time for me to talk to Scots about that? No, but when the time is right, I'll tell Scots about you. Ukuthi mfana, now menza so, can we do this? So it's not a thing ukuthi I feel expectations, but I understand ukuthi ukuba where I am in namachita mayafisa ukuthi nabo babe at the very same level. If they're not at the very same level, at least bangabi kude from me. So every now and then I will check on his cheetah Sam with Bafej Kambani in Kalangani. Yeah, chol. So because now I've been there and I've been with people that they are there and I'm still here, and you just be like, yo mfana awuthi amingenile. So shoot izinto zorana kanti hey kubeka njami. I feel like there is an industry or it's just normal vibes, and what advice would I give a young and up and coming about the industry in your game? Okay, so we all know that industry, it's not a building, industry is not a car, industry it's abantu. So we are the industry, and yeah, we me, you, Amachita, everyone Joe that is in the creative space or the entertainment space, we are the entertainment industry. That's why uma unginyobisa bara yo unyobisa in industry gent. Uyayibamba? Because I'm in the industry. You understand? Then kube nama PhD, they think industry gents abantu abama DJ nama musician phela. No. You get it? So, what advice would I give to these young up and coming? Firstly, stop being an upcoming. Stop introducing yourself as an upcoming. Shosho Gabza, mina ngusbanban, I'm an upcoming artist. Whatever you say you're an upcoming artist, everything also yenza, everything also mzwisa yona, it will sound upcoming. You get what I'm saying? So stop being an upcoming and be you. Mina when I introduce myself, I am Shaba Oma 2K, cousin ga Beyonce, ex Cardi B. Whether you give a fuck or not, whether you doubt me or not, I will be Shaba. And trust me, if you doubt me now, in the next coming years, so, and also, let me focus more on the content creation. No one can gatekeep the internet. You can never gatekeep the internet, my brother. You will never. So, lento ukuthi, ngifuna ukuyenza ama video mara. What if aboshaba bawathandi or ngifuna ushaba approve? No. We understand. Mina when I do videos, they just go viral. You understand? Ucholang stress, but that's why no one will gatekeep the internet, especially TikTok. TikTok umama mulapho, gogo mulapho, umkhulu mulapha, umuntu osa ICU uhleka zashona lapha because ube ne video yahleka tu ichayile. Everyone is on TikTok. So when I'm out post that just know ukuthi serious, Joe. No one will gatekeep the internet, mfana. Orang namanga. What's a two ya chaya, iwile. Simple. So no one will gatekeep the internet. Just whatever that you think of doing, just do it. Just do it. Post Guma TikTok and your social media pages. You'll thank me one day. Okay. Isiphi span nje bengingasitshune serious nje besides being a content creator. Yo angazi mfana, but there's one thing that people don't know, that I used to work at Checkers as a chill packer back in 2018. Mina join isibone ngisasomntwana yo. Ngina 18 ngisebenza nabo mama bana 46. And asilento lekhawatha ngani. Ugcina sobona umama una 40 ngathi type yakho. Tell mama. Cause every Monday mangikholile bekunomunye usisi ngitshele sister lele fresh. But yeah, I used to work at Checkers yase middle day. Middle day ngase Edenvale. Bayibiza ngeHyperama indawo yakhona I think. Yeah, so I used to work there. 18 years old. Ngicela usikela 2017, 2018 ngisebenza Checkers. I worked for like close to a year. Then I ngabona ukuthi la ngispanele sengikhalela nabantu bemizi man. Sengikhalela nabogogo, but yini bengingayenza if I was in the content creator? I think I would have been as I've said, I was an average student. And I don't think pana bekunento bengayenza man. Cause anything bengifuna related to TV. I just wanted to be on TV, Joe. You understand? So I wouldn't say I wanted to be an actor because that's part of content creation. So maybe being a doctor and keep up on TV indi abantu mababuya nama KFC emakibo nami ngibuya nevindi for ifamily. But yeah, ayikho nje into bengayenza besides being a content creator. Awazi abantu basenze KFC babuya nama KFC. Abasebenze pizza babuya nama pizza. Nami kube ngidoctor ngibuya nevindi zabantu every day. Hey, ngithi pheka ni papa ningapheki ishebo. Angifika lapha ngibuya nenhliziyo lapha. Ubuya nenhliziyo yomuntu lapha ngithi guys namhlanje sidla. Ay money shop of it. Yo. What's your I am broke meal that still slaps even now, ne? Yes, later why ngishekisa. Because I'm still broke. So, yo ngapi 8 nkosami inkinga zami. Obviously kodwa nje. Nganye sincanyela kodwa nje manje. Yeah, mojo le namu yazi utayile. Bulalisa ikota le. Ekudlisa ikota le emoji isikhathi. Yeah, ikota and you know, I think everyone knows that ukuthi Thembisa ikasi licaviwa ngokushaya the best quarters. Awucavi? Thembisa ikasi lekota mfana bazokutshela. Yeah, yes, even eSoweto kunindawo ezitshops zamakota but iThembisa bazokutshela iThembisa ngekota. Ngiyobile ngekota mfana yo baningi abochere ngibadle ngekota. Nithi come we'll just go to Rock Mama's have a date. Mafika ngithi arijike mo. Isikota 15 rand lapha ngithi awuskate. Kupolokele Russian mo. Mntana abantu wow, what's this? Is that this used to be a zoo here? I want to tell you. So yeah, you got. Give us 3 of your comedians / content creators. Obviously, I'll start with Robot Boy. We all know why. There's no need for you to give us a reason why you love Robot. He's so creative, man. Yo. Yeah, and lauthi cabanga ngathi nengcondo ezi58 loud there. Yes. So it's Robot Boy. Ezibhayi zimbulalayo mara TikTok. Mina inkinga nje amazi njani ngikhulele kazi. And mina at some point ingcondo yami ithanda labantu bakudala man. You remember we used to have abosenzeni Crazy Entertainment. So yeah, so I still follow those guys even now. Abompepe. You get it? So I'd also count them in because zogenzela the Wimpepe yenza ngakhona. So I would say Robot Boy, also the guys from the Crazy Entertainment, abo Mpepe nabo Senzeni. Then the last one Young Wilala nale mangabe ufuna ushaba nayi freshman Young Wilala umalume Ligan yeah I love that guy Young Wilala jo. So yeah yibo abantu ukuthi mangihlana nje ne content yabo akenzeki ngalaha vele ngiphela. Netflix approaches me and they give me a role like a Scott's attitude, so I need to role play it. Okay, sharp. It's catchy. Yeah, it's catchy. It's catchy, mom. It's catchy. It's catchy. No, I can't take pictures. Then say you're gonna stage. But yeah, man. I think I did it. Yeah, ichufi yake. Shower is catchy. You get it? So yeah, bafethu. Yeah. Angisi producer angisiyathi so ngangibuza ukuthi ngiexpecteni oh. Mele nibuza bo. No. My hidden talent. People didn't know that I can do soccer commentary. Bara ke ntanga fela ke ntshotsa fela ke ntshotsa magwa bitsa fela jalo ka mabitso bara ke God smaphuma e tla fela jalo ga ramotso yona ka nete ka mane freshman mag o tenglena ka nete ka mane jaba o majuke e qala fela jalo ka nete lineup ya rona e dutse fela jalo ka nete ka mane goalkeeper ya rona kena ka nete ka mane Ankulemzi e tla fela jalo ka nete lena ka mane Limit Crazy teng ka nete lena ka mane Mbooks Cowboy and uzoba ngidisappointile mama ifakalazi wena mkhawuzaza mangabe ulazi socabana. So yeah guys, so yeah ladies and gentlemen, so yeah bafethu it's a boy Shabe Basara Machuke cousin ga Beyonce X Cardi B, and that was my 12 questions with Freshman Magazine. You can catch us on YouTube, good page left Freshman Mag, and yeah, thank you.